Welcome to our latest introduction of the chain link fence machine, designed specifically for budget-conscious customers. Our machine offers a complete set of equipment to ensure you have everything you need for efficient operation. We understand the importance of stability in your operations. That is why our chain link fence machine is engineered to maximize performance while minimizing costs. You can trust that it will deliver consistent results without breaking the bank. Edge processing section. The rolling machine, all integrated into one reliable system. With our solution, you can produce high-quality chain link fences efficiently, allowing you to meet your project demands without overspending. Invest in our chain link fence machine today and experience the perfect balance of affordability and reliability. Contact us for more information.